vlog, and it's another travel vlog. See here already. Okay. Okay lang. Hello. So we are currently here, and the place is so amazing. I'm amazed. Look, welcome. Welcome to the paradise. Oh my God, it's so great. So it's so mainit. Quick. So we are finding a good spot so that we can take a picture. We are currently walking to there. We are finding some beautiful spots so that we can take an Instagram photo. Gani, picture ta din ito. Bawal gani daw, no entry.
Kanta.
Montage.
The backshoot kay Peb. Charan!
Another island. Back. So, update. It's evening and walang katao-tao dito sa beach na ito, sa resort na ito. Kami lang. It feels like amin yung resort. Kaya kami lang talaga yung tao. Ang ganda. If you want to muni-muni, if you want to mapag-isa, this is the best place, you know. You can go here. We are at Marvel's place. The accommodation is good and everything is good. Ang ganda. Pati yung beaches nila. You can take a picture solo. It looks like sayong-sayo talaga yung island na ito. You can visit his. I will. Hi. So, what can you say about this island?
Si Paul kasi Tony pala. Pagpaaman Paul nila.
Ay, what can you say about this island?
Ano yung gawa? Ng Sprite? Ng
Pretty.
1.5?
Yes.
Hygiene and laundry, which we never told you to do.
But you expect us to do anyway.
You women expect it of yourselves more than we expect it of you. You are just as responsible for upholding those gender expectations you hate.
Ang babere pa rin.
True.
Force women to be complicated. Because we have to think for you men too. While cooking, cleaning, washing your clothes for you, just so you and your simple
daw si Talong and the sis.
Oh, ikaw ang lupo.
And now we're going home.